G'day folks, welcome back. It's night time here. As you can hear, I've got some insects hanging out with me, and I thought I would like to do a painting just with the UV light. So I've got a 4-chamber pot, going to throw some bright colours in there. We'll throw it across this canvas and we'll see what it looks like. So I'll get this thing loaded up and we'll give it a throw. So I'll be right with you as I just need to load some paint. So colour 1. First one. Colour number 2 is going in. Go. For number 3. In this one. And last one. So I haven't got that much paint loaded into this, so it'll be just a couple of swings across and back, and then we'll stop it. Hopefully we get something cool to look at. So here we go. Pull this high-tech seal off here and let it rip. So 1, 2, and I reckon that will do us. I'm just going to stop it at that. Let this sit here and ooze out. I'll come and grab you guys. We'll have a little look. Alrighty then. This is silly, this one. I like it. So we'll have a quick look at the floor because it's glowing like nobody else's. It's like this glowing stuff everywhere. It's freaking awesome. It's like, I wonder where he tests his paint before he sprays stuff. But anyway, here's this guy here. Actually, what if we go this way? Look at it this way. So, or, no, actually, let's try here. Yeah, pretty cool. Look at that. That's so silly. Oh, let's get you down and have a look. Oh, another silly one. Nice bright. I like it. So yeah, so that's a 32-inch canvas, that one. So some nice big squiggly lines on it. Glowing under a UV light. So silly. Thanks for stopping by, folks. Really appreciate it. I'll see you next time.